Hello everyone, welcome back to an engineering challenge with the Clark Planetarium. My name's Cynthia and this is Tony, and now it's getting warmer, we've got boating on our minds. But boats are complex bits of machinery. Maybe you've tried the engineering challenge about foil boats, so you know a little bit about how boats work. But today we want to build a boat that is self-powered. First thing we need to discuss, and you can refer back to the aluminum boats video, is that we need a boat that can float. You can do this by building your boat out of materials that are buoyant or capable of floating. This usually means that they are less dense than water. Styrofoam does this well, but it's not always easy to come by and it's not always a great choice for the environment. Another idea for a buoyant boat is to make another aluminum foil boat or use wood like we did. We've got lots of popsicle sticks. Now, once you've gathered your materials, you're also going to need something that you can cut things with, something that you can glue them together with. Hot glue works great, and you'll probably want a ruler to measure things. And you're probably going to want some adult supervision because you're going to need to cut some things up, so make sure you ask for help. Now, the way that we built our boat is that we layered lots of popsicle sticks right on top of each other. You can see here all the different layers. Very nice handiwork, Tony. But we left a gap in the middle for where our propeller's going to go. Now that we have a boat that's floating, we need a boat that can propel itself. The easiest way to do this is to slide a rubber band inside that gap area. You can see that there's two little pieces in there. And then you're going to take two pieces of your buoyant material. We've got a little X of cardboard, and then you're going to cut notches on them. Tony built a very nice small version here. You can see those notches, and they're going to fit together in a nice little T shape. And that is going to be your propeller. Once you've got your propeller built, you can slide it into that gap that you left and put it into the rubber band. To charge your boat, twist it up, and you're going to store all that potential energy inside the rubber band. And once it's twisted up nice and ready to go, set it in some water and watch it speed along. Very nice. Thanks so much for joining us for this engineering challenge. There are lots of ways that you can build your boat. Make sure that it's going to float and that it's got a great propeller to push it forward. So thanks for joining us. Try to make your own boat and submit it to us with hashtag Clark Planetarium and a hashtag engineering challenge. And make sure you check our website for updated hours and movies. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.